Hi people. So happy December. We are here doing our final budget for 2022. This is going to be for December. I am trying something a little new, I guess. Well, not really new, just I'm trying to do less money and see how much I can stretch it. I had an experience at the grocery store where I only bought about 6 items and it ended up being like $58 and it just seemed ridiculous. So anyway, I'm trying to spend less. So I gave myself $800 this month. Usually it's $900 to $1,000, give or take. I'm gonna do 8 and see how that goes. Anyway, let's count it out and then I will walk you through how I'm gonna try to do things. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 657, 750, 770, 790, 800. All right, starting off with our cash envelope stuffing. First category is food. I have nothing left for food. I'm giving myself $300 this month. I usually give myself at least 4, but I realized when I have extra money, I spend extra. You know, I kind of splurge on certain items that I don't necessarily need. So I'm gonna try to kind of rein it in a little bit and see if I can stick with necessities, for lack of a better word. We'll see how it goes. I don't know if $300 is enough, but I feel like $75 a week should be. So we'll see. All right, beauty is gonna get $60. Mainly for nails. I think that's it. And I'm probably gonna stop getting my nails done. You know, I take a break every now and then anyway, but now with the way everything's going, I have to cut back on some of the luxuries. So after the holidays are over, I will probably go back to not getting my nails professionally done and calling it a day. So anyway, that's $60 for the month of December. Fashion, I'm gonna give myself $50. I don't really know that I need anything, but sometimes things come up and it's like, oh, let me get this t-shirt or let me get this, you know, whatever. So just in case, I'm giving myself $50. Fun, I'm giving myself $200 because that is kind of one of the more expensive things. Every time we go out, it costs money. So yeah, $200 into fun. Oh, I forgot to ask you about my nails. What do y'all think? Can y'all see them? I got something called cat eye. They're growing out now, but yeah. Okay, household. I don't think I need anything right now, but I'm gonna give myself $40 just in case. I think I have like everything that I would think that I need, but this is just for emergencies. I don't know, laundry or dish detergent. I don't even know what I would need, but just in case I do, I wanna have it. And then I'm not gonna give myself anything for miscellaneous because again, that's one of those things that if I have it in there, I'll just spend it on something that I don't necessarily need. And since I'm trying to tighten up my budget, I'm not gonna give myself extra room to just spend frivolously. Okay, so that being said, there were a couple of things that I wanted to say. I am probably not going to make any more videos about cash stuffing and sinking funds. I've done it for a year. I kind of got it down and figured out where my money is going. I've kept track and I will continue to do cash stuffing for certain categories: food, beauty, fashion, fun. and maybe household. The miscellaneous will go. Starbucks also. I don't know if I got to that in here. Okay, yeah, I took it out already. Starbucks, I decided to add into my food budget. I don't need a separate category for Starbucks because that just makes me overindulge. So I'm gonna put it in my food category, which means I just need to be smarter about my Starbucks purchases and just be careful. So I took it out already. It's no longer even a category, so that's done. All right, I will continue to do this part, but probably not on camera anymore. It was more of an exercise in discipline and trying to make sure I could budget properly, which I have learned to do so. So I hope some of the things that I've done have maybe given people ideas or been helpful, I hope. I will do another video in the end for my challenge, but I'll come back to that later. So that's it for my cash envelopes. Let's move on to sinking funds. Okay, for my sinking funds, I have nothing left in annuals, and I'm not stuffing anything in annuals. When I went through some of my stuff from last year, I don't have a lot going on in January. I think I do have something February 1st, which will probably just be in my account. So it'll come straight out of there. So I don't need to put the cash in here and then have to put it right back in the bank to cover the thing because it's like on auto payment. So I'm not going to put any cash in my annuals, which is one of the reasons that I'm doing away with the sinking funds. Car, I have nothing left. I will put $100 in my car. This will be for gas and tolls. I have a lease. My lease is up January 5th, I think it is. So I will no longer have expenditures for cars. So that'll get away car note, insurance, gas, tolls, tickets. I just got a ticket. That was fun. All of that stuff. I will probably not get another car for a while because I'm in New York City and it's really just kind of more of a hassle than it is anything else. And I don't use it that often. So yeah, that'll be it. Emergency, I have $100 in there. I'm not going to stuff anything in there this month. And let's just hope, fingers crossed, that there are no emergencies that come up. I will resume next year adding something to it. I don't know, maybe $20 to $50 a month. I'm not really sure yet. I'll see how my finances look and that'll be the determining factor. But that's where we are with that. Gifts, I have, I think, $19 in here. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yep. I'm going to add $50 to this. So that puts me at 69 bucks. So we have 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. I will probably have a couple of things to buy for this month. It shouldn't be too bad because I don't really celebrate the holidays. But yeah, I need to add more to my gifts budget as well. Okay, so travel, will not get anything. I don't have any trips scheduled and I probably won't go on any for a little while. I don't know, maybe, I don't even know how long, but I'll start saving if we decide that we're going to do something. But what I have decided is all of these accounts are going to be in one of my banking accounts. So instead of putting cash in here, I'm going to just leave it in there. I will put aside a certain amount of money into an account, a separate account maybe for annual stuff. The emergency fund I will keep just so I have something around the house in case something does happen. Gifts, I'll keep that in an account. Travel, same thing. So these will all just be in a bank account, which means I'll no longer be stuffing for this type of stuff, at least not cash. And so I just feel like, you know, I don't want to keep making videos where I'm not actually putting any money in there. And I thought about doing like the fake money thing, but it's just not as interesting for me. So I don't, but I feel like keeping my money in cash, I'm losing out on the interest that could accrue. So this is why I'm going to stop. Like I said, though, I will continue to do the cash stuff because it keeps me from swiping incessantly and then going broke. It keeps me kind of in check with my spending. So that's it. I will do one more video for my challenge at the end because we still have, I don't know, 4 or 5 weeks left of the year. So I want to see the challenge through. So I will make one final video to see how much we've made for the challenge. And that'll be it. All right, so challenge. Let's see. Okay, is it? Okay. $53. Is it? All right, so we'll go get that and we'll be right back. All right, so here is the $53. 50, 51, 52, 53. So we'll add that to this. 50. And then that. So we have, I think there are 4 more weeks, I believe. So I will add to this, and then I'll come back at the end of the year or maybe the beginning, depending on my last date. I can't remember what the last day is. Anyway, I will come back and count it out to see how much we've managed to save over the year with my little challenge. So that is it for December. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.